welcome back. So today, as you can tell from the title, this is my updated closet tour. I've been dying to film this video for the longest time. I think I last filmed it 2 years ago, and since then I've completely changed like everything in this room. I did it through all the lockdowns that we've had this year, so it's taken me probably about 6 months to get it like perfect how I want it. But I think we're pretty much there, so I thought today's the day that we get to see it. So without further ado, let's have a look. So in this corner, we have more of my like everyday shoes. So like we have like Nikes and like Timberland boots and just stuff like that. These ones I really like. I wear these all the time now. I was never a big fan of Timberland boots before, but now I'm absolutely obsessed with them. And then just on the top I have like some more like loafers and stuff, which I don't really wear all the time. These are like for a Christmas party that I did last year, which was really fun. And then as we move on down, I have kind of like my kind of everyday like cheaper jewellery like ASOS and just like little bits like that. And then in here I have my kind of like a jewellery organiser, but I use it more for like belts and wallets, and like have like my little Louis Vuitton wallet, which with this little bracelet, which I really like. I think they go really well together. I really like those two. And then down below one more, we have all my scarves. So I don't really have a lot of scarves. I'm not a huge scarf wearer, but I do have a couple. Like this one, I really like. This is the Logo Mania from Louis Vuitton, obviously. And this is super soft, and I love it in the winter. It keeps you so warm. And then I have just a couple more like Louis Vuitton and like Gucci and stuff like that. And then just in the 3 drawers down below, it's just like underwear, like jogging bottoms, swimwear and stuff like that. So nothing overly exciting or important. So we'll leave them, and they're also a massive mess as well. So we're gonna pretend they're not even there. Alright, so on to the next section. I have all of my like jumpers, hoodies, tracksuits. I pretty much live in tracksuits like all the time. So all of my like full sets of tracksuits are all double hung and are in this little section, because I live in a tracksuit every single day. I have this one too, which I'm obsessed with. It's just like a full-on like sheet, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so soft, so warm when you wear it. Like you'll never ever be cold wearing that. Then we just have like Michael Kors and like Adidas, a couple of like turtlenecks and stuff. And then down below we have this like trouser pull out. So most of my jeans, as you can see, are black because I wear jeans for work pretty much every day. And I'm not a massive fan of like blue jeans or white jeans or whatever, even though I am wearing blue jeans right now. So that's kind of it for the jean section. I'm not a massive jean wearer. And then down below I just have my more like kind of like designer shoes, like Giuseppe's, Gucci, Balenciaga, stuff like that. I like to keep them down the bottom because then they've got a shelf on top, so I can kind of like stop them getting all dusty and everything. And then on the top, obviously, again, we just have more of my like everyday shoes. Like I wear like Adidas trainers to work, and like a couple of Nikes and stuff like that. So. Okay, then in this corner section, I have like this little bit here which kind of comes out, which has got like trousers and stuff on. And then in the corner, it's just like complete floor level. So I use that to put all of my like longer coats, like this one, which is from Burberry. And I normally store like all my suits in there as well, because again they can just hang all the way to the floor and not get like creased or anything, so that's where they normally end up. And then I also keep my like some blazers in here and some like kind of like jackets. Most of my jackets get left upstairs in the coat cupboard, so I just kind of keep a few in here. Kind of like ones like this that I don't want to get all messed up and mangly in the coat cupboard, because that cupboard is a mess up there. And then we just have more like work shirts and stuff. I'm not a huge shirt wearer. I normally pretty much only ever wear jumpers or like t-shirts, but sometimes for work if I want to get dressed up a little bit I'll put on a shirt. So I have like just a couple here, not too many. So down here we just have my more like casual trousers, like cargo trousers and like chinos and stuff like that. Again, I kind of wear them for work quite a lot. Then down the bottom here we have more like designer shoes. So I have my like Christian Louboutins, which I still have yet to worn because I'm waiting to come out of lockdown to wear them. And my Giuseppe Zanottis, which I just got a couple of months ago. I've actually worn these quite a few times. I really, really like these. And then coming along from the coats, this is my like favourite section of the whole closet. In fact, if it wasn't for these bags, I probably wouldn't have even done this closet. I would have just left it a mess. But we have all of my like bags. So we have like kind of bigger bags down the bottom, like this Louis Vuitton Keepall. A couple of like smaller clutch bags down here. Got this one, and then I got one kind of in brown because I like to get stuff in black and brown. So then I feel like I've always got something to wear. And then we've got my Josh backpack and the new trunk wallet, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. Like, best bag in the whole entire world. I will never get rid of this bag. And then my Dior bag up the top there. So yeah, if it wasn't for these bags, I probably would never have done this closet because they're what I kind of wanted to look after and display. And if it wasn't for them, I probably just would have left all this to be a mess because these are just my babies and I will protect them and look after them until the day I die. Okay, and then this section is more just like everyday t-shirts and like shirts, kind of like not if you're going out and need to wear like a dress shirt, just a normal casual shirt. So there's like a couple in here that I never got to wear because of like COVID restrictions and everything. So I meant to wear this for a Pussycat Dolls concert that got cancelled. I'm not sure when I was ever planning on wearing this, but it probably would have got cancelled anyway. So yeah, that's kind of it for that. And then down below from that, I just have like a load of plain black and white t-shirts. I wear these under my jumpers and I wear them for work, so I just like to keep them out because I wear them pretty much every single day. So that's kind of it for my like closet clothing area. And then next we have my like dressing vanity. I use it as like an office, like a desk, and like loads of different things like that. So this is my like desk area. This is where I spend all of my time. Like I'm at this desk constantly, either working or kind of like getting ready and stuff. Everything you see pretty much in this whole room is from Ikea. So like all these lights are from Ikea, the mirror, the desk. I think even this is from Ikea, the chair. Everything in this room is Ikea. There we have it for the closet tour. I'll link everything that I have in this room down below. It's pretty much all from Ikea. And I completely love getting it from Ikea because I find like everything matches each other. And like say if I bought loads more stuff and I needed to move stuff around, it's so easy to do that because you can just like move these shelves up and down, put another rod in, get like new stuff to go in it. So it's really, really versatile, which I love. So I'll link everything in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe and drop me a comment of what you want to see next. And that is everything for today.